Different radiator fluid. What the fuck? I ain't got it all tidied up, but I couldn't resist to ride it. Just gotta put the seat cover and some other shit on. But damn. And tune it for some more, but need to weld my exhaust right there. It's corrupt. But I gotta get stainless. Gotta wait till Tuesday, Labor Day weekend. And the kick return spring, but fuck.
Nah, didn't it?
No, didn't it? Oh, no shit. No shit. dive. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to fuck with the jet. Starting to feel, I think, but we'll see. I have to pull the plug. Ooh, that bitch is fun. Getting thick. Tomorrow we're going to the drag races. Nah, didn't it?
Now, didn't it? What are you talking about?
So,
Stay tuned.
yeah, I was gonna say I'll get a video of that tomorrow. Probably post another video. But good game. I'll get a 2-stroke therapy. Matter of fact, while we're at it, we'll hold this. See if I can get this started. I'll get the clutch off it. No point. Well, fuck it. Might as well.
Still started, fuck. It's camera shot.
Yep. That thing's loud as fuck, ain't that now, didn't it? But that's gonna be the next project. I'm gonna finish on. I think I'm gonna get black plastic for the front of this thing. I have these yellow ones in there that I could cut, but they're not gonna look right necessarily. So I think I'm gonna get the black plastics. It'll match the Nerf bars, and then throw my black seat cover on. And then I'll call this thing basically complete, damn near. So then I'll be on to the next. But hell yeah, we'll see you next tomorrow.
Yeah.
The races. Deuce.